Hello everybody, welcome back to the new video session. On this video session, let us understand the new topic of financial management, that is financial decisions taken by the business enterprises. On this video session, we will understand only the first financial decision, that is investment decision. Financial decision. So, financial management is concerns with the solutions of three major issues relating to the financial operations of a firm, corresponding to the three questions of, that is investment decision, financing decision and dividend decision. So the financial management is totally concerns about these three decisions. So on this session, we'll understand the first one, that is investment decision. The investment decisions relates to how the firm's funds are invested in different assets. So here the investment, like how to invest the amount on the fixed assets. So we have to think and take a corrective action and corrective investment over the assets. Investment decisions can be long term or short term. A long-term investment decision is also called as a capital budgeting decision. For example, making the investment in a new machines to replace an existing one, or acquiring a new fixed assets, or opening a new branch. So these are the example for the long-term investment. So as we know, the long-term investment is also called it as a capital budgeting decision. The short-term investment decisions, also called it as a working capital decisions, are concerns with the decisions about the levels of cash, inventories and receivables. So these decisions affects the day-to-day working of a business enterprises. So the short-term investment is also known as a working capital, where the money which is required to conduct, or the money which is required to do a day-to-day activity, that money is called, that investment is called it as a working capital. Some factors affecting to the capital budgeting decision, that is long-term investment. First one, cash flow of the project. So, when a company takes an investment decisions involving the huge cost, it expects to generate some cash flows over a period. So, the cash flow of the project is very important. That is, instead of outflow, the inflow. After execution of project, how much we are going to get the return in terms of money. So that we have to evaluate and take a corrective action, or put an investment on the any assets of the organization. These cash flow are in the form of series of cash receipt and payments over life of an investment. So the here you can understand the series of cash receipt and the cash payments, that is cash inflows and outflows. So that is one of the important aspect where you can analyze and make an investment on the fixed assets or long-term investment. The amount of these cash flows should be carefully analyzed before considering the capital budgeting decision. So here you have to analyze the each and every cash flows, that is cash receipt and cash payments, and later you can consider and invest on the fixed assets. Second point, that is the rate of the rate of return. The most important criteria is the rate of return on the project. So these calculations are based on the expected return from the each proposal and the assessment of risk involved. So here a manager has to decide the rate of return by considering the assessment of risk to be involved in the each project, and also the expected return what you are going to get in further. So that you have to analyze. So after analyzing, you will come to know how much the rate of return you are getting from the projects. So that which will give you the high return, that you can select. Suppose there are the two projects that A and B with the same risk are involved. There is no difference or there is no changes in the risk. Both project will be having a same risk with the rate of returns of 10% and 12% respectively. Then under the normal circumstances, project B should be selected because the A project is giving only 10% return, where 12% return is given by the project B, which is more than A. So now the manager has to select the project B because the high return. Next one, the investment criteria involved. So the decision to invest in a particular project involve a number of calculations regarding the amount of investment, interest rate, cash flows and rate of return. So one of the important aspect or criteria where everybody has to take care and observe the particular rate of interest and the cash flow, which is always the receipt must be higher than the cash payments, and the rate of return must be more and the interest rate must be less. So in that manner the one has to consider these criteria and select or invest on the long term investments. So there are the different techniques to evaluate the investment proposals, which are known as the capital budgeting techniques. So these are very useful for analyzing the each and every aspect and later selecting the best project for the organization. So those techniques are very useful. So these techniques are applied to each proposal before selecting a particular project. So the capital budgeting techniques are used in all the projects, and which will be satisfied by the top level management. That proposal has to be selected. This completes the one of the important topic, that is investment decision. Any doubts related to this, you can reach me by WhatsApp. Thank you everyone.